Aynati here, and this video is all about commission drill review. I've got access to the product and I'm going to tell you my honest opinion about it and explain to you what the product is all about step by step in the download page. So once you decide to buy the product, okay, this is the page that you will be redirected to, which contains the content of the product. This product is made by Ivana and Ram, two successful internet marketers, and they really well displayed the content of the product. So let's just cut the chase and get into it. So in here, this is the members area, as I said. So the first thing is that they provided a PDF version of the whole course. So if you rather read instead of watch videos, if you enjoy more on reading, this is a PDF version of the product. So they give you a variety of choices here. And so we'll go down to the videos. So just to tell you briefly what this product is all about. This product is all about making money using YouTube Plus, to promote affiliate products. So let's get into it. So step one is creating your funnel, and that's what you need actually in order to begin making money and make a real business. So this video is only an introduction of the whole course. This video is the blueprint. So in this video he explains the funnel needed for it to work. Okay, the funnel that works, that he uses himself and has been successful with. He shows you all of the parts needed in the funnel, and explains about it. In here, Ram talks about selecting the right CPA offer. In case you don't know what a CPA is cost per action. So you don't necessarily get commissions from sales. You may get commission from only for everyone who has filled specific data like email or information. This is the commission is less than promoting or selling products, digital products. It's still a great way to make money, and it's easier to make sales using it. So especially if you're just starting out, you can definitely start with CPA offer. In this video he talks about promoting. Oh, of course, I forgot to say here that he shows you here how to choose the right CPA offers, because not all CPA offers generate the same amount of sales. There are CPA offers that are not good enough in terms of sales. There are CPA offers which are excellent and can make you tons and tons of sales. So he shows you how to find the offers that have a higher odd of making sales and is proven to sell very well. In here, this video is the same idea, but for digital products. He shows you how to find the best offers in Clickbank webpage. A Clickbank, if you haven't heard about it, it's a website that has affiliate program, and it has tons and tons of products with a lot of niches. Okay, it's one of the best websites for affiliate marketing, and many people are getting thousands, if not millions of dollars by using the Clickbank platform. He shows you here, you know, of course it's the same idea. You don't choose any offer. He shows you how to find the right offers, the offers that are proven to sell, the best offers, how to know what offer, how to identify that this offer is better than that. You know, what is the indication? He shows you that. In this video, he shows you how to create a landing page. He creates a landing page for you know, in front of you. And for you, if you don't know what a landing page is, a landing page or a squeeze page is a page where you redirect the visitors to, and you provide them a free gift, okay, to persuade them to put their information, mainly their email address, and if you want you can add even their names. Once they add, it goes to their you know, it goes to your autoresponder, and you can just follow up with them. So this is a great way of, you know, sustaining your business, getting instant you know, getting consistent income, and keep growing and scaling up. If you seriously want to get into the business and you know, keep scaling up and keep getting, you know, consistent income, while, you know, having the freedom to, you know, get out of your job and have your freedom, this is the best way of doing it. You know, collecting people's information is very, very critical. Every successful internet marketer does that. Okay, so he shows you here how to create a landing page. So we finished step 1. Step 2, it's about bringing traffic to your funnel. So we've completed the funnel and the above. So how do we bring the traffic? And the first video, which is Traffic Blueprint, he explains generally about YouTube ads. He explains about the type of ads that YouTube provides for you that you can create. And here, this video shows you how you can claim free $75 ad credit. So this is a great opportunity for you, because you can start, you know, promoting offers using YouTube ads without providing any investment amount from your pocket. They provide you $75 just free as a gift from them. And from those $75, if you invest in it correctly, I mean, if you promote correctly, you will get a return out of the $75. You may get $100, $200, $300, and from that return you can reinvest and reinvest and reinvest and rescale and keep growing. So this is a great way to get started, and this is another huge advantage this product provides for you. He shows you how to claim your $75 ad. In those two videos, he explains about the YouTube display ad. Okay, as I said, there are types of ads. One of the ads is called display ad. So in here he shows you how, step by step, how he creates display ad and how you can do the same. In this video he shows you how to create YouTube video ads. Now video ads are the most powerful ones because they are the most types of ads that are engageable. People are mostly engaged in videos, and I think you know that. So video ads are very powerful, and he shows you exactly how to do it. This is actually the end of the content of the course. In step 3 he shows you here 3 videos which are case studies. Okay, case studies in which he has done, showing you what he has done, and a proof that he made, you know, sales and profits out of it. You know, he literally shows you a proof that he has made sales and profits. So this first video is a case study of Clickbank. You know, what he made for Clickbank and how much he got. And those 2 videos are case studies for CPA offers and how much he got out of it. Here is the bonus section. They provide 3 bonuses. The first one is Clickbank Expert, how to become expert in Clickbank, Affiliate Blueprint, and List Arbitrage. Okay, they provide, you know, a PDF version of each of those valuable bonuses, and here you can contact them, as I said, Ivana and Ram. So in my opinion, this product is really great, very well outlined, very well divided into videos. Each video serves to concentrate on one matter to talk about, to make it easier for you to follow with them. However, for me, I always like in my product reviews to provide even more value for you, okay, as my as watchers of this video, or my visitors. So what I've seen through this course, that it provides you all you need to make money online. But the thing that I'm adding for you is are websites other than Clickbank that have affiliate platforms. Those other 2 websites are JVZoo and Warrior Plus. They are excellent affiliate platforms as well, where they have, you know, more varieties even of products, and so you'll have a larger range of products to choose from to promote. Okay, so those websites have products that are proven to sell. You know, there are products that have 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, and even 5,000 sales products, which shows, you know, technically, you know, and obviously that the product is really proven to sell. Okay, so this is the end of this video. If you enjoyed watching it, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, as I have, you know, other product reviews, and I'll be posting in the future other product reviews, as well as you know, informative videos, content videos about different aspects of internet marketing and what you'll get value from. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope to see you on the next one.